Can you see the screen? I hope screen is visible to you all. So now this is wetlands, action for people and nature. Okay. Now there is a registration fee of 100 rupees. Okay. So you can pay the registration fee 100 rupees and even claim from the college the registration fee. Okay. So short film documentary or oral or poster paper presentation. If you want to note down the details, these are the details. Okay, 25th of January is the last date of registration and sending your film, documentary, whatever, oral presentation, poster presentation and all. Okay, so it's on 2nd February. You can note down these details even, contact number of the person for whom you can ask, and or you can contact the teachers from zoology department of our college or vice principal Professor Praveen sir, who is all in your group as well. Okay. So now I'm stopping sharing. Okay, and we start with our lecture. Yesterday I was telling you about internal and external public relations. So we started with internal public relations. I told you how notice can be used as a media to, to establish internal public relations. Okay. Then I told you how the newsletter, college newsletter can be used for establishing internal public relations. Okay. Now let me go to next. I also want to share with you the college website. Okay. I hope it will be seen by you. Can you see the college website now? Now see, if you go here, this is home page which gives you information. Okay, so this is home page where you see headlines. Okay, then you see exam notice, pending fee payment link, then various news and notices. Then there is a photo gallery. Okay, then upcoming events, this, that, and all. Okay. Eh, can you see? I mean, let me see if there are things. Now here you can see even academic calendar of the college. Okay, so what happened on which day, when you have vacations, all these things also you come to know. Is it clear? See, Gandhi Jayanti holiday, this, that, International Day for Disaster Reduction and all. So this way Ganpati festival holidays, okay? So this way it is a good way to establish website, okay? Website is another way to establish, okay, relationship. Then if you see e-journals, I told you na, the magazines, journals can be also utilized. to establish internal public relations. Okay, so if you see RJ College e-journal, so here you see some of the e-copies of the various proceedings of the conferences. Is it clear? So it's, if you see, it's National Seminar on Dynamics of Mangrove Ecosystem. Okay, proceedings of 2-day national seminar on 100 years of Indian cinema, issues and challenges in retrospection, socio-philosophical perspective. Then proceedings of national seminar on biodiversity and conservation of coastal and marine ecosystem of India. Proceedings of national seminar on teaching, learning and evaluation beyond classroom. Clear? Then proceedings of 2-day student seminar on, student seminar भी हुआ है कॉलेज में, ठीक है, और accounting, finance and taxation in Indian scenario. It happened in 2018 on 16th and 17th February. See, if you want to get information, you can go through this proceeding. So you will get so much idea about what happened in that seminar, what type of papers were presented by students and all. Okay? I'm opening it if it's देखो दिखाई दे रहा है ना आपको, proceedings of 2-day state level student seminar on changing dimensions in accounting, finance and taxation in the Indian scenario. So see now, publisher, which publisher, copyright, and then you can see here convener note of thanks. Okay, then advisory board. So who were the part of the advisory board? Core committee members. Okay, students were also members. So name of reviewers. Okay, is it clear? So you can see the various papers presented by students. It's not by teachers, it's by students. Okay. Just imagine that so many 27 students presented paper. Is it clear? So for internal public relations, okay, the institute not only just tries to establish relations through notice, okay, not through notice board, only, but also through newsletter. Yesterday I shared with you the newsletter of the college, correct? Magazine, okay, and Not only magazine, newsletter, magazine, journals. Okay, so I just shared with you e-copies. Okay, so this way the institute tries to establish internal public relation. Then besides, I told you that internal public relation department organizes various events. Okay, so organizing seminar, workshop, training, and exhibition. Okay, it's another tool to establish internal public relations. Now I have given you example of college organizing seminars and the e-copies of all these things. Now you can even see not only college has organized seminar, the college has also organized exhibition. Okay, and the college also organizes training program not only for students but also for teachers and others. Okay, so let me go to RJC open course where you can see the video recordings. Nowadays during COVID, whenever the online training programs have been organized, if you see there, you can also learn from these video recordings if you haven't attended the programs. Can you see this? Now, RJC has organized various training programs for students. See, here if you see, you can see the placement cell organizing soft skills and life skills training program for students. Okay, so these are the recordings. So if you want to learn soft skills and life skills which are important for you to progress in life, you can listen to the video recordings available on the YouTube. Okay, it is available on college's YouTube channel. Okay, so this is another way of, see, elocution competitions video recording is also available. Okay, so this way you can see the, college has organized training program for students. For teachers also are organized. If you see, let me see. See here it is given faculty development program. Okay, so this is the program organized for teachers. Faculty Development RJC IQAC Faculty Development Program 5th January 2022. Okay, so this was organized for college teachers. Is it clear? So I told you about trainings, workshops. Okay. Okay. Seminar, workshop, training, and exhibition. So seminars are also organized by the college. I have shown you the proceedings. If you visit the YouTube channel of the college, you will even come to know those seminars organized. If it has been done during pandemic, then you can see the recordings. If it hasn't been done during pandemic, then you can see the proceedings on the website. Okay, so if I share with you again this open course where I will show you the seminars happened in the college. Okay. Now see, you can see 2 days national webinar on legal education. Okay. So this webinar was organized for legal education. It was where students and teachers both have participated. Is it clear? So then you can also see, now see, I was talking about training program for staff. Okay, so for library staff, see, sorry, this there was a program, training program organized for library staff even, and that you can see. I can show you. Okay. I hope I can show you that. See, this is yes. Library workshop. Okay, you can see. There are still some more participants joining. Okay, role of libraries and library support staff in COVID-19. On this topic, there was a workshop organized, okay, training program organized for 1 week by the college. I'm okay now, it's 11. Okay, so this way, not only workshop, training programs, seminar, webinars are organized. Okay. Even I told you various events are organized. Now see, if you see, I mean, I can on 3rd of January that Savitri Bai Phule Jayanti was there, and so on that day also our there was a program, okay, to celebrate the birthday of Savitri Bai, and so let me see if I can see that. See here, here you can see the lecture series, Savitri Bai Phule lecture series. Okay, so is it visible to you? Let me see. So this is Savitri Bai lecture series organized in the college on 3rd January. Okay, this month only. Okay, so this way not only workshop and training programs, but lecture series are also organized.
By many people, and as you know, people are diverse, both in their opinion and in their behavior. But with your aura, I'm very sure everyone comes out smart.
So this was the program organized. Now the guest speaker is speaking. I am not going to show you the whole thing because it's the whole lecture will go that way. But I'm just sharing with you how lecture series, workshops, seminars, exhibitions can help you. Okay. In understanding the
तुम्हाला स्त्री जन्म काय आहे आधी जी होती एक म्हण स्त्री जन्म आहे
is it clear? So it's not.
आपण आता स्त्री नाही तर म्हणू शकत नाही ऑलिम्पिक्स
Okay. So one girl student was also felicitated on that day. Okay, so you can see this. Okay. Now, if you see that, I will show you some other things as well, which will give you idea how college tries to establish internal public relations. Okay, so if you see under this, now can you see this? Okay. Now here under DLLE, Lifelong Learning and Extension Unit. हाँ सर, मैंने कल लेटर कलेक्ट कर लिया है, ठीक है? So if you see this, when I was convener, then that time I have also organized so many activities. Okay. And that time, if you see, if possible, if some so this is the report for that particular year. What was done under that activity. Now you can see the various events organized for students, the photographs of those events. Okay. So if you see the photographs, okay, this was an intercollegiate event organized. These are the judges. Then these are the students who participated with me in walkathon, okay, in Dadar. Then these are the students participating in university festival and performing street play on the stage. Okay. These are the students who participated in Maha Walkathon organized by Maharashtra State for Road Safety. This is training program happening for students under DLLE. Okay. So if you see now this, we have organized an exhibition for the students of our college as well as school students. So you can see the posters, charts, okay, of various environmental issues. Now, this was a talk organized by our college on green initiatives under DLLE. Okay, so this was a competition organized by Central Bank of India, sponsored this program for Vigilance Awareness Week. Okay, on the topic elocution competition was organized. Okay, then we have also organized Swachhata drive in our college and the student participating in that. Okay, so this way various activities have been done for the welfare of students. So college for internal public relations, you can even organize exhibitions. Okay, and if you see the report, you will come to know what are the various activities done during that particular year. Okay, so for internal public relations, we also do so many activities, as I told you. Okay, organizing seminar, workshop, training, and exhibition. I hope it's clear to you. And what else we do when we organize, when we connect. Now we also do for internal public relations, advice, counseling. Okay. See, in every organization, we need to work better. As the member of organization, we need to work better. Now, suppose as a business organization, you are the member of production department or sales department, okay, or purchase department. So you are supposed to work well for the organization, and that can be done only and only if you get training, if you attend workshop, seminar related to your job responsibilities. Correct, no? So it is necessary for the organization to arrange seminar, workshop, training, exhibition so that you can do your work well. Besides these things, seminar, workshop, training, and exhibition, at times you need advice and counseling as well when you are working in an organization. Okay, so what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to work on such things. Okay, see, when you are a manufacturing organization and you suppose manufacture a particular product. For example, let me say you are washing powder manufacturing company. Okay, so now when you are manufacturing washing powder, you will advertise your product. Okay, not only advertise your product for good sale, you also advertise your product so that you can inform your customers about the product, how your product is different from the product available in the market. See, there are so many companies washing powders available in the market. So you would like to inform your customers how your product is different from other companies' product. Correct, no? So you advertise and you inform the customer. And when customers start purchasing your product, and if they are satisfied your product, your sale will increase. But in case they are dissatisfied your product, the sale will decrease. So suppose your there is a decline in the sale of the washing powder manufactured by your company. Okay, decline in the sales of washing powder. So now what you will do in that case? You would like to know why the sales of washing powder is going down. Correct? You would like to know why the sales of washing powder is going down, and that you will come to know from customers. But when you come to know from customers why the sales is going down, then after that you can arrange an advice or counseling session for the departments who are involved in the production of washing powder. Clear? So who will come in that? Not only purchase department, correct? Then manufacturing, production department, okay? And sales department. Is it clear? So what you will do, you will arrange an advice and counseling session for these three departments, because purchase department purchases the raw material, various products which are used for manufacturing, correct? Production department produces the washing powder, and then the sales department sells that product, washing powder. Now, if the raw material, quality of the raw material is not good, okay, which is used for the production of washing powder, the sales will go down, correct? If quality of raw material is correct, but the procedure followed for manufacturing or production of washing powder is not correct, then also your sales can go down. If purchase department is purchasing good raw material, production department is also doing its work well, okay, and handling things well, but your sales department is not active, not advertising the product well, not doing sales related activities well, means, see, purchase department purchasing raw material, production department producing, then packaging is also equally important. If you are packaging the product in an improper way, okay, washing powder is to be packaged properly, correct? If washing powder is not packaged properly, or if you are not advertising your product, if you are not convincing your customer regarding the quality of your product, how your product is different from the, so then also you are not getting good sales. Is it clear? So all these things affect the sales of the organization. Clear? No? Understood? So an advice and counseling session by experts will be arranged so that they will discuss what is lacking where and how the sales can be increased. So advice and counseling sessions by experts are needed. Now, not only advice and counseling sessions are needed by people from business background, sometimes advice and counseling sessions can be required by people from other fields. See, every organization runs due to good coordination and communication. Okay. So if you are not communicating well, if you are not coordinating well, okay, then also there may be problems. okay, and the performance and productivity is affected. So advice and counseling session for good coordination and communication can also be organized by the business organization. Is it clear? So it is very important to learn how to do things, how to coordinate, how to communicate for better performance and productivity. So each organization arranges seminar, workshop, training and exhibition, advice and counseling session so that their employees can perform well. Okay, so this is one of the way they establish internal public relations. Okay, now not only this, that organization organizes for the better performance and productivity. See, as a member of the institute or organization, you are also supposed to give opinion, your suggestion, okay, for the welfare of the organization, for better performance and productivity of the organization. Is it clear? Now, when you are working in the organization, what you are supposed to do? You can give your opinion and suggestion for the betterment of the organization. So suggestion boxes are put in organizations, okay, so that all the employees can give their opinion for the welfare of the organization. Okay, I thought I lost connection. So for the welfare of the organization, every employee can give their suggestion, opinion. Okay. So in most of the organization, suggestion boxes are kept. I don't know whether you really know or don't know, because you have visited the college only for 1 month for offline classes, approximately one and 1 month or 15 days maximum. But in our college also suggestion box is kept at first floor near to receptionist counter. Earlier it was there. If you visit, you can see whether it is still there. And you can put your suggestion as students also. What do you feel about the college? What improvement should be made in the college? So even staff members, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, supporting staff can put their suggestion in the suggestion box for the improvement, better performance and productivity of the college. Okay. Besides this, there is one important thing which is very important in the college, in the institute, is crisis management. Why I'm giving you example of the college? Because you are also part of the institute. College is also one organization. See, here the purpose is not to make profit like business organizations generally do, but see, college is also providing you service education. For this, you are paying the fee, so you are the customer of the college. So internal public relations and external public relation, when you are the customer of the college, but the staff members are the internal public. Okay. So crisis management is equally important for good internal public relations. Now I told you there are two types of crisis. Okay. One is natural crisis. Okay. So natural crisis includes, here all natural disasters like flood, okay, then tsunami, then earthquake, okay, then it also includes heavy rain. Okay, now this COVID, okay, pandemic is also crisis situation. Now, how to manage the crisis? Now we are all managing this crisis now. So what the college has done, college has provided you a Zoom platform so that you can attend your lectures from home. So that is also crisis management, correct? During rainy season, the college alerts you that you can leave, means don't come to college today due to heavy rain. The college has been closed today. Okay, so if you visit the website of the college, you will see all these notices, each type of notices put up. Okay, earlier, because now you are attending lectures from home, so there is no need to put such type of notices. But if you see notices under news and notices before 2020, the notices of before 2020, you will see such type of notices. Okay, if you go to general notice, I hope I am able to show you. Degree college general notice. Okay, so this is related to if you can see. So, let me, I mean if it's available, अगर available होगा तो बहुत पहले का notice कोई. Okay, these are the notices. Which gives you idea about various exam related queries and redressal of grievances related to COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. See, measures to boost immunity. What you should do. Mental health and well-being of student during and after COVID-19. Okay. Let us all come together and fight the COVID-19 by maintaining social distance. Now see, this is regarding. Now if you see notices, now you will hear, you may find. Let me see. See, can you see this? Let me show you. Can you see this? College will remain closed tomorrow, 5th August 2019 on account of heavy rainfall in Mumbai. Okay, so this is one way of managing crisis. College will remain closed today, Tuesday, 2nd July 2019 due to heavy rainfall. Okay, so then degree college induction program on 1st July 2019. Now, when induction program is conducted, you are given various information about the various facilities in the college. You are not only given an information about the facilities, you are also given information about what library facility, scholarship, free ship, okay, laboratory facility and all. So induction programs also a kind of training program for the newcomers. Is it clear? So this way we can establish internal public relations by managing the crisis even. So it's not that the crisis is to be managed only after the crisis happens. We can manage the crisis in advance even. Is it clear? So I hope things are pretty clear to you. So when we are talking about crisis management, it can be natural crisis and it can be the man-made crisis. Okay, we will do to next time. And stopping sharing, I'm ending the lecture. Okay.